Here I have OPPO A37f mobile and I want to replace the battery because it has been running for 4 years continuously and the battery capacity pretty much damaged to 50%. So I want to replace the battery with another battery. Let's remove the back cover of this mobile, starting with the point where the USB port is located. Apply gentle force as shown in video. Carefully unlock all the locking mechanism of the back cover. And also don't forget to remove the SIM tray. Now apply gentle force while unlocking near the power button and volume button. Now a bit of force. Now the cover and mobile are separated. Now let's remove the cover of battery connector. It is held with 2 screws. Now let's remove the battery connector. Now let's remove the battery from the mobile. A bit of force. The battery has nominal voltage of 3.85 voltage. And I am replacing this battery with another battery with same nominal voltage 3.85 voltage, and the battery technology is lithium polymer. So the both battery have same parameters, but the two batteries have different battery connectors, so I have to replace these connectors, and also the battery management circuit are different. Since the both battery have almost same parameters, so this should be okay to replace the battery management circuit. So I am going to connect the battery management circuit of old battery to the new battery. Let's carefully remove the battery management circuit of this battery. Also carefully note the positive and negative battery connection to the circuit board. Due to the different dimension of battery management circuit, I am going to connect them with some sort of wire so that the battery can perfectly fit in mobile. And the wire should be connected perfectly by soldering. Adding plugs to the wire for better soldering. Adding solder to the wire, also to the battery terminal. Double check the polarity of battery and then connect the wires carefully, because connecting in reverse direction can damage the battery management circuit. Now let's do a quick test. Plug in the battery connector carefully. Now let's switch on the mobile. It's showing low battery, so let's charge it using OPPO charger. Let's charge it for 10 minutes. It's charging. Now let's check anything is heating up or not. If all the connections are correct and the replaced battery is good, then there should be no heating effect at all. After 10 minutes of charging, let's switch it on again. The mobile is on now and it's showing 2% battery charge. Let's cover the battery terminal with insulating tape and attach the battery management circuit with the battery. Now the battery can fit in mobile perfectly. Now let's connect the battery connector. Now let's put the connector cover. Now it's time to put the back cover. Press all around the corner of the mobile so that the locking mechanism could work perfectly. Now let's charge it for an hour so that the battery percentage could go up.